Hey Laura, I just want to say thanks so much for all your hard work and the great job that you did on my website.
Our customers have commented so much about how our website is amazing.
Geeks in a Box is amazing, and Laura is amazing.
Geeks in a Box is great. Customer service is fantastic. And yeah.
I have been one of Laura's first clients, customers, and we love you, Laura. She's done us a great job.
Just had to say thanks for doing what you do. You brought us from the gutter all the way to the top with all your good work.
And Julie and I just wanted to say, you f***ing rock.
But I do want to thank all of these people for always supporting me, always being behind me, and always being there for me, along with the rest of you.